oxidizing agent in the reaction H2S plus HNO3 going into S8 plus NO? Go ahead.
We have the oxidizing agent to be HNO3 because the oxidation state changes from -1 to -2.
1 out of 3. Suyani, the oxidizing agent in the reaction Cr2O72- plus CH3OH going into Cr3 plus CO2. Yes, go ahead.
So the oxidizing agent is Cr in Cr2O72-. This is because the oxidation state of Cr in Cr2O72- changes, is +5, but it changes to +3 at the product side.
2 out of 3. Next set, 30 seconds, and there's a preamble. Find the gravitational potential energy of a particle of mass m at the given height h above ground. Do you have it? Find the gravitational potential energy of a particle of mass m at the given height h above ground. So yours, m equals 4.2 kilograms and h equals 2.3 meters. Yes, Mount Camel?
We have 97 joules.
No. St. James, m equals 2.4 kilograms and h equals 3.5 meters. Bonus? Mount Camel, m equals 0.62 kilograms and h equals 4.0 meters. Yes, go ahead.
24 joules.
Yes. Senior SHS, m equals 0.52 kilograms and h equals 16 meters. Yes, go ahead.
80 joules.
No, for bonus. Yes, St. James?
83 joules.
No. The right answer is 82 joules. And then Kintampo, yours 93 joules. St. James, your own 82 joules as well. 30 seconds. And there's a preamble. Find the factorized equation of the quadratic curve with a stationary point at A and y-intercept at B given. So Kintampo, A has coordinates 1, 0, and B has coordinates 0, 6. Bodos, I'll hold on to the answer. St. James, A has coordinates -1, 0. And B has coordinates 0, 3. Yes, go ahead. St. James.
y equals x squared plus x plus 3.
No. For a bonus. Mount Camel, your major question. A has coordinates 3, 0, and B has coordinates 0, 18. Go ahead.
Have y equals 3x squared plus 3x.
No, for a bonus. Swine. A has coordinates negative 2, 0, and B 0, 8. Yes, go ahead.
Y equals 2 bracket multiply in the first bracket x plus 2 and in the second bracket x plus 4.
No. All right, so I'll start with you, Sunyani SHS. Y is equal to 2, multiplying the expression in bracket x plus 2 all squared. Mount Carmel, your answer. Y is equal to 2, multiplying the expression in bracket x minus 3, all that squared. And then St. James, your answer. Y is equal to 3, multiplying the expression in bracket x plus 1 squared. Then Kintampo SHS, y equals 6, multiplying the expression in bracket x minus 1 squared. Next, 30 seconds and there's a preamble. Give the name of one product formed when 2-methyl-butane undergoes monochlorination. Do you have it? So, first choice, Kintampo.
2-chloro-2-methyl-butane.
Come again.
2-chloro-2-methyl-butane.
Yes. St. James, next one. Go ahead.
2-chloro-3-methyl-butane.
Yes. Mount Carmel. Yes, go ahead.
We have 4-chloro-2-methyl-butane.
No, I don't have that here. Cyan.
1-chloro-2-methyl-butane.
Yes. And the other one is 1-chloro-3-methyl-butane. Next set, 30 seconds. Kintampo SHS. Find the RMS current in an AC circuit whose impedance has magnitude 16 ohms when the RMS voltage across it is 64 volts.
2.8 ampere.
No. Yes, Nyan.
4.0 amperes.
You are right. Find the RMS voltage across an AC circuit whose impedance has magnitude 15 ohms when the RMS current is 0.60 amperes. Yes, go ahead.
This 9.0 volts.
Yes. Find the RMS voltage across an AC circuit whose impedance has magnitude 14 ohms when the RMS current in it is 0.50 amperes. Yes, go ahead.
We have 7.0 volts.
Yes. Cyan, find the RMS current in an AC circuit whose impedance has magnitude 16 ohms when the RMS voltage across it is 72 volts. Yes, go ahead.
4.5 amperes.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round, and there's a preamble. Name the kingdom that comprises. Are you okay? Kintampo SHS. Chain forming simple single-celled organisms. Go ahead.
Kingdom prototesta.
No. Yes, Yane?
Kingdom prokaryote.
Yes. mostly multicellular and filamentous organisms with specialized complex cells. Go ahead.
Kingdom fungi.
Yes. Mount Carmel. Complex single-celled organisms that may form colonies. Go ahead.
Kingdom Protoctista.
Yes. Last question, Suani. Multicellular organisms with specialized complex cells that ingest food. Yes, go ahead.
Kingdom Animalia.
Yes, all right. On that note, that brings us to the end of round one.
Ohima, what are taking number first? By you. Me, I tell you, say take the number, give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really? Okay, I come.
Shut up!
Mame, for the mechanic, Mama, what is Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Ron 95.
Fill up with Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh, cut him. Hey, go for that.
Choose Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Ron.
It has 9 points. Our Lady of Mount Carmel girls, 9 points as well. St. James schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell gets the opportunity to answer correctly on the first attempt for 3 points. Second attempt, 2 points. Third attempt, 1 point. However, in any of these attempts, if a school fails to produce the correct answer, that school will lose a precious point. You have 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculations and 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations. All questions are to be attempted once only. Remember, there are no partial credits, so be very accurate in the answers you give. There is also the 3 seconds rule. If you ring the bell and you are given the opportunity to answer, please, within 3 seconds, the answer must be coming out. If it doesn't come out and the bell goes, we will not accept your answer. So, first set of questions, 30 seconds each. Find the vector V with initial point A, -3, 2, and terminal point B, 2, -6, in terms of the unit vectors I and J. Yes, St. James.
5I minus 8G.
Yes. Differentiate with respect to x the function y equals brackets open 3x squared minus 6x plus 5 brackets closes to the power 8. Yes, St. James.
dy dx is equal to 48 multiplying in one bracket x minus 1, and in the second bracket 3x squared minus 6x plus 5, that raised to the power 7.
Yes. Evaluate and simplify. In one bracket, tangent of 45 degrees minus tangent of 60 degrees. That expression divided by, in another bracket, tangent of 45 degrees plus tangent of 60 degrees. Yes, Yan.
So I have -2 plus √3.
Yes. $30. Determine the mass of 500.0 centimeter cube solution of 0.400 mole per dm cube sodium perchlorate, that is NaClO4. Take Na to be 23.0, Cl 35.5, and O to be 16.0. Yes, St. James?
32.8 grams.
No. Yes, Mount Carmel. Go ahead.
26.5 grams.
No. Yes, Yang?
56.1 grams.
No. The right answer, 24.5 grams. Next. Phosphorus reacts with oxygen to produce phosphorus pentoxide according to the reaction P4 plus O2 going into P2O5. Calculate the minimum mass of phosphorus needed to produce 0.400 moles of phosphorus pentoxide. Yes, Kintampo?
24.8 grams.
Yes. Calculate the sum of atoms in the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon, given that its molecular formula, two sound sources produces notes of 250 Hz and 255 Hz. Find the frequency of the beats. Yes, Yane?
5.00 hertz.
No. Who rang again? St. James.
5.0 hertz.
No. Find the frequency of the beats produced when the two notes are sounded together. Yes, Kintampo?
2.500 hertz.
No. Who rang again? Yes, Mount Carmel.
5 hertz.
Yes. Next, find the quantity of heat required to change the temperature of an object of heat capacity 48 joules per Kelvin from 15 degrees Celsius to 25. Yes, St. James?
480 joules.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. Name the historical figure credited as the father of botany. Yes, St. James?
Theophrastus.
Yes. What is the name of the part of the coconut commonly called the coconut water? Yes, Yan?
The endosperm.
No. Yes, Mount Carmel. It is called the liquid endosperm. Last question. Name the tissue layers Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls SHS, 8 points. Kintampo SHS, 10 points. And Suyani SHS, 22 points. St. James, 27 points. So before I continue round 3, some substitutions are going to be made. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls. Audrey is coming in for Caroline. And then for St. James, Martin is coming in for Hammond. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome. Round 3. Round 3 is the true or false round. In this round, I'll be giving you statements, and what you are supposed to do is to tell me whether the statement you received is either true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you have 1 point deducted. You may choose not to respond. In that case, that statement becomes available to the other 3 remaining schools to compete for. And so once a school rings the bell and picks up that statement and provides the correct response, that school will earn 2 points. Otherwise, the school will lose a precious point. You have 10 seconds to consider your statement before you respond. Okay? All right. Preamble. After the preamble, I'll come to you, Kintampo SHS. The inequality x squared plus y squared less than 25 is satisfied by the given point in the xy plane. I hope you have it. Kintampo, the point A has coordinate -3, -4. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. St. James, the point B has coordinates -5, 1. Go ahead.
False.
You're right. Mount Carmel, the point C has coordinates 4, -2.
True.
Yes. Suyani, the point D has coordinate 0, 5. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kintampo SHS. Fungi have flagella at a point in their lives.
False.
Yes. Fungi are prokaryotes. Go ahead.
False.
You're right. The Whittaker system place fungi in their own kingdom.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Suyani, fungi secrete digestive enzymes.
True.
Yes. In an electrochemical cell, oxidation always occurs at the anode. Go ahead.
False.
I'm sorry, it's a true statement. In a galvanic cell, the anode is positively charged.
True.
No. In an electrolytic cell, electrical energy is converted into chemical energy.
False.
No, it's a true statement. In an electrochemical cell, electrons flow from the cathode to the anode through the external circuit. Go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. There's a preamble, and this one will take 30 seconds. And there's a preamble. An AC generator producing 20 volts RMS at 200 radians per second is connected in series with a 50 ohm resistor, a 200 millihenry inductor, and a 300 microfarad capacitor. Now, Kintampo, the active power dissipated in the circuit is 8 watts. Go ahead.
It's false.
You're right. Saint, go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. The net power dissipated in the circuit is 0.
False.
Yes. The magnitude of the apparent power supplied by the generator is 6. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. St. James. Growth hormones are responsible for carbohydrate synthesis. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Growth hormones ensure cell division.
True.
Yes. Growth hormones are responsible for protein synthesis. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Next set, preamble to all schools. M and N are integers. If the product Mn is divisible by 4, then, Kintampo, both M and N are divisible by 4.
It's false.
You're right. Then N is divisible by 2 and M is divisible by 2.
True.
No, it's a false statement. N is divisible by 4 or M is divisible by 4.
False.
You're right. Then at least one of M or N is divisible by 2. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Kintampo SHS. Metallic bonding occurs only between metal atoms.
It's true.
Yes. St. James. Metallic bonds are formed by the attraction between positively charged metal ions and delocalized electrons. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Metals with high ionization energies tend to exhibit strong metallic bonding.
False.
You're right. Metals with large atomic radii tend to have weak metallic bonding. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Last pair of statements for the round. The order of magnitude of the given quantity is unity. That's the preamble. I will repeat it. The order of magnitude of the given quantity is unity. Kintampo SHS. Ratio of the mass of the earth to the mass of the moon.
It's false.
You're right. Ratio of the mass of a typical nuclide to the total mass of electrons in its neutral atom. Go ahead.
True.
No. Ratio of the radius of the earth to the diameter of the moon.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Ratio of the typical distance between the sun and earth to the typical distance between the moon and earth. Yes, go ahead.
False.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 3.
Ohima, no be me I take the number first. By you. Me I tell you say take the number give me.
Guys,
end of round 3, here are the scores. Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls SHS has 15 points. Kintampo SHS has 23 points. St. James Seminary SHS 31 points. And Sunyani SHS 35 points. Round 4, the final round. In this round, we have the Goyle Riddle Bonanza, which will reward the school that solved 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch the team 200 Ghana cedis, while solving 4 riddles will fetch the team 400 Ghana cedis. The Goyle Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goyle Good Energy. So round 4, the round of riddles as usual. So in this round, I'll be reading out clues for you to solve a riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. If you solve it on the second clue, 4 points. Third or any other set of clues thereafter, 3 points. If you attempt to answer a riddle and you are not successful, you'll be out of that particular riddle. You stay out and join in the next riddle if there are any left, okay? All right. In order to answer a riddle on this one, you have to alert me by ringing your bell. Kintampo, may I hear your bell? St. James, Mount Carmel, Suyan. Okay, when you ring, your answer must be ready. I am a 4-digit odd number. I am a year in the 21st century. The sum of my digits is an odd square digit. The number formed, yes, St. James?
2061.
No. So I continue. The number formed by my last 2 digits is an egg. Yes, Kintampo?
2025.
Yes. I was on the 4th clue, 3 points. Next riddle. I am an insect. I have an almost 360 degrees view of my surroundings. I am a carnivore. I am also a master of disguise. Yes, Unyain?
Praying mantis.
Yes. 3 points. 4 clue, 3 points. Next riddle. I am a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. I am linear in geometry. Yes, go ahead.
Carbon dioxide.
No. Yes, Kintampo. Yes, give your answer.
Carbon monoxide gas.
Yes. Last riddle. I am a physical quantity. I am a scalar quantity. I am conserved in all known interactions. Yes, Mount Carmel.
Energy.
Yes, you're right. 3 points. On that note, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls SHS had 18 points. Kintampo SHS had 30 points. St. James Seminary SHS 31 points. And Sian SHS won the contest with 38 points. Thank you for joining us for the 2024 Gold Regional Championship from the Bono-Ahafo Zone. Congratulations to you, Siani SHS, for winning the championship in the Bono-Ahafo Zone. Congratulations. Kudos to Kintampo, Our Lady of Mount Carmel Girls, and St. James Senior High School for giving us a very good competition. Well done to you. The Goil Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support from Charles. This is a primetime production. My name is William James Akampolimba. I have been your quiz master. Thank you. Bye-bye.